Welcome to the 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is evasive. It is spelt E-V-A-S-I-V-E. Think EV, the letter A, and then sieve. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources, from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Evasive means hard to pin down, catch or understand, often in a way that is not easily achieved. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about something or someone that is not easy to locate, capture or comprehend. For example, you could say, the suspect was evasive and they couldn't get a straight answer out of him. Or, she had an evasive attitude and it was hard to get her to agree. The word evasive comes from the Latin word evadere, which means to escape, referring to something or someone that is hard to pin down or understand. See the connection? In the video game, Pokemon, trainers travel around trying to catch many different, difficult to capture Pokemon creatures. Some are more evasive than others and therefore harder to catch. Synonyms for evasive are elusive, hard to pin down, hard to catch, hard to understand. Antonyms for evasive include straightforward, easy to pin down, easy to catch, easy to understand. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, evasive. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time.